This is the sound of your shoulders, unclenching, each vertebra settling like river stones beneath still water. The weight in your jaw dissolves, not by force, but by the slow pull of gravity itself, as if the earth has decided to hold you just a little closer. Your chest rises, falls, rises again, but the rhythm isn't yours to control anymore. It's borrowed from the tide, from the steady inhale of the horizon. Now the frequency shifts, 432 hertz, the exact pitch of a cathedral's silence, the hum of a tuning fork pressed to the spine of the world. It doesn't ask you to relax. It simply is the relaxation, a current moving through you, carrying away the tightness like leaves on a slow-moving stream. Close your eyes. Let the waves do the work.